We've had a lot of requests for the ability to use your Flashback and do a print, print, flash, print, flash. Having those first two strokes wet on wet, then giving it a flash, and the third stroke to really make it pop with another flash. It's coming very handy with the new ring spun cottons. The softer cottons are getting a lot of fibrillation and a very rough look to it. So we have found a way to do that for you. Go into machine settings, and we'll turn our advanced flashback on. What the advanced flashback is, it'll allow you to flash every other print stroke as well as the last stroke. Also in here, if you've ever found the need to flash before print, so if you wanted to print on one, flash it before head 2 prints, you can also do that through the advanced settings as well. So we will set our print head for 3 strokes, turn our advanced flashback settings on. When you do this, it will always give you a reminder to set your flash as a print, print, flash on the selector switch. So you need to go over to your flashback and make that setting. Once you're ready to go, you have your 3 strokes. You're going to get 2 strokes, a flash, then 1 more stroke and another flash. That should give you a nice bright print on those softer cottons.